Amazing flavors. Faluda, rabdi pista, rasmalai. You know, we start these flavors and everybody else in the market copy us, but we are the trendsetters.
So it's an innovative cake shop where it's a go-to place for all the occasions.
Delicious cakes, wide range of cakes, oak cakes.
We have been associated with this sweet business from a really long time. My dad used to own Brijwasi Sweets in Thane, Mulund. In 2016, I told my dad that I want to switch over something else. So that time I decided, let's go into something which would keep the trend. What do youngsters require in sweets? So that time I told my dad, let's get into this cake business. Before coming to Oak Cakes, we did a lot of research. I saw that most of the companies are giving customers what they are comfortable with. But when I got to know about Oak Cakes, the people who were running Oak Cake franchises, they told me that this is a really nice company which works according to the needs of customers.
We do have regular customers जो हमारे पास बार बार आते हैं और बार बार हमारे प्रोडक्ट की तारीफ करके जाते हैं और वो इस बात की भी उन लोगों को खुशी रहती है कि हमारे पास बहुत ज़्यादा वैरायटीज़ है।
मैं पिछले 2 साल से मैं आ रहा हूँ यहाँ पे और हर एक टाइम आता हूँ और कुछ ना कुछ नए रेंज मिलते हैं देखने को। वैरायटी ऐसा है, कंफ्यूजिंग है, आप एक चूज करने जाओ आपको उसके अंदर 10 से 12 वैरायटी मिलेंगे।
I belong to a family where my father is diabetic. So we have reduced our sugar content to a very extent. So these cakes have literally perfect sugar level. They are not too sweet and they are not even lesser sweet. They are actually perfect. So it gives you a good taste. Also, I would like to say that the customization of their cakes is so good that the cake remains for a longer period of time and it tastes exactly the same throughout.
I don't think major competitors even give you what is customized cakes in span of 24 to 30 hours. But we'll do it on the same day. You tell the company that I want a cake by the evening and they'll do any goddamn cake possible and provide you, which is really a USP of Oak Cake.
Oak Cakes is not just a cake shop to work, it's a mesmerizing experience. कस्टमर्स आते हैं, हम लोग को रिव्यूज़ दे के जाते हैं कि आपका केक्स का डिज़ाइंस बहुत अच्छा है, केक्स का वैराइटीज़ बहुत सारे हैं। सो कस्टमर्स भी उनको भी अच्छा लगता है न्यू डिज़ाइंस, वो भी हाफ केजी में बनाया है। Oak Cakes is Oak Cakes, no one can beat Oak Cakes.
See, when you sell something to the customer, it's not that you sell them and you're not going to see them again. You sell them and what you should have in your mind that this customer should come back and should give you a positive feedback.
And yes, हमारे यहाँ पे कस्टमर्स का फॉलोइंग भी बहुत अच्छा है, कभी भी अनसेटिस्फाई नहीं रहने देते हैं, हम पूरी तरीके से कोशिश करते हैं कि उनको सेटिस्फाई करें।
Oak Cakes is the future of cake industries in Mumbai and bang on in India. I just want to say that Oak Cakes is the best decision of my life. Come, build with us. Oak Cakes.